Hi, and welcome to Inbound Explained. In this video, we'll review a few tips and tricks that we use here at Cyberclick for social media management for businesses, straight from our social media strategist. Let's get started. You've probably wondered which tool is the best for centralizing and managing your different social media accounts. The truth is, there are many different tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, Agora, and all of them have their pros and cons. From our experience, Hootsuite is a great option since it has a really useful free version. Whatever management platform you choose, it is super important to choose a tool that allows you to schedule content, tag content, reply to comments, assign comments to other team members, and interact with reactions. I also recommend choosing a tool that has a mobile app version because you never know when you may need to manage something on the go. Now let's get into a few tips that we use here at Cyberclick in our day-to-day work to optimize social media management. 1. Put yourself in your user's shoes and put out content that you would like to see. If you don't find it engaging, your followers probably won't either. Publish unique and quality content and avoid filler. When in doubt, less is more. For example, if you publish 3 times a week on Facebook, I recommend posting at least one piece of content that you want to highlight and investing in advertising through an engagement campaign. This way, you'll get the reach and engagement that you're looking for. 2. Don't look like a robot when responding to comments. Even if you have a comment protocol, you can always adapt your comments in a way that fosters community and has a level of closeness. 3. For comments that you consider to be rude or disrespectful, I recommend hiding them. This way, to manage a crisis, it's not to have a crisis. Be on the lookout for these types of comments and get ahead of them. Make a follow-up list with the most negative comments. You will manage a lot of comments and it is very normal not to be able to keep track of them all. So by making a list, you will be able to keep the most aggressive users under control and prevent a possible crisis. 4. Automate and review data. Pay attention to the different data provided by the analytics of the different platforms. It is very important to always reflect and analyze your data and performance. 5. Plan in advance. Don't leave everything to the last minute. Schedule your post at least 2 or 3 weeks in advance. This will allow you to make any necessary changes. 6. Use the power of video marketing. Video is more visual, has more retention power, and much more potential to go viral or be shared by your users. But always remember to use your logo at the beginning, middle, and end of the video, so it's clear who created the content if it gets shared. It is important that users remember and recognize you. 7. Be creative. Always remember that creativity is 98% work and 2% inspiration. Never stop looking for references from accounts. Stay up to date on the news. Visit art museums. Reflect on culture. Talk to your friends and people in your industry. And think about issues that are outside of your sector and industry. I assure you that these things will give you some great ideas. Above all, experiment, experiment, experiment. To quote Einstein, don't try to get different results by always doing the same things. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to write a comment. And while you're there, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos like this one.